like using these trees from Hobby Lobby to fill in a whole bunch of different spaces on the layout, obviously for trees, but they also work for hiding cords and stuff like that. But I feel like they're just a little too thin. So I wanted to see if I could add a little bit more to them. And this is what I come up with. So here's what the tree looks like. It's like really thin looking, right? I wanted it nice and full, like this. And I even covered up the base. So this is what I did. I took a little bit of the spray Mod Podge, sprayed it on here. So I'm gonna take this aside and spray it. Now I got it good and sprayed down. So I'm going to take my Woodland Scenics grass. I believe I mixed a couple different colors together to get this. And I just started adding it in. Using the a paper, that way I can catch whatever doesn't stick to the tree, and then I can reuse it. Just kind of dumping it on, shaking it off, going at the different angles. And tap that a little bit and get all the extra off, and then I'm going to spray a little bit more. All right, I sprayed my Mod Podge all over the tree, and I'm coming in for a second coat of my Woodland Scenic grass. It's already looking a lot fuller. I think I'm actually good with how it looks. It looks a lot better than the other ones. All right, here's the one that we just added all the Woodland Scenic grass to, and here is how it come in the package. So quite the difference. Now I could add more if I wanted to, or I could leave it. Now, since it is going on the Snow Village layout, I want it to have a little bit of snow to it, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Woodland Scenics snowflakes to it. So save all that. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is just get a new piece of paper up on top. I'm gonna go spray this again. I did put a nice coat of the Mod Podge all over it, and then I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle the white or the snowflake all over. Yeah, I think that's good enough.